What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to cancel Patreon subscriptions. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. We're going to open the Patreon app, and at the top right corner, you're going to see your profile initial or your profile icon. You're going to tap on it. Now what we want to do is to switch from creator to member. As you can see, redstone tag underneath, you can see creator. We need to switch to member profile so we can see our subscriptions. However, if you're a member, you can skip this step. We're going to switch to member profile. So if you're only on a member account, this is what you're going to see. However, if you're switching from creator to member, the first step is important. Now we're going to go to the top where we have all creators. Here we have some creators we're following and the subscriptions we're currently on, whether they're paid or we're on the free subscription. So we're going to pick on any of the subscriptions and then tap again. And now at the top, you're going to see the three dots there. We're going to tap on it. And here you can see your membership. Go ahead and tap on your membership. And at the bottom, you can see upgrade and leave membership. When we tap on leave membership, you will be canceling your Patreon subscriptions. If you're on a paid membership or subscription, you might see cancel membership, in which case you will need to tap on the button, confirm the cancellation, and that will be done. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.